Hey everyone! Today I'm going to walk you through how to record voiceovers on your PC completely for free using a program called Audacity. It's one of the most popular audio editors out there, and it works great for recording clear voiceovers, podcasts, or anything else you want. Alright, let's start by opening your browser and going to audacityteam.org. This is the official website where you can safely download Audacity for Windows, Mac, or Linux. Once you're there, click on the download link for your system and follow the simple instructions to install it. Okay, now that Audacity is installed, go ahead and open it. The interface might look a little intimidating at first, but don't worry, I'll guide you through the basics. First, plug in your microphone or headset with a mic to your PC. In Audacity, look at the top toolbar and find the microphone icon. Drop-down menu. Click it and make sure your mic is selected as the input device. Before we record, it's a good idea to do a quick sound check. Hit the red record button at the top left and say a few words. When you're done, press the gray stop button. You should see the audio waveform appear. That's your voice captured. If it's too quiet, you can adjust the input volume slider next to the mic icon. Try to speak naturally, about 6 to 12 inches away from the mic to avoid popping sounds or distortion. Once you are happy with your mic setup, hit record again and start your voiceover script. Speak clearly and try to keep a steady pace. When you're done, press stop. Now you can play it back by hitting the green play button to listen to your recording. If you want to redo a part, just press record again, and Audacity will record over the timeline. Finally, to save your recording, go to File, Export as MP3 or WAV, depending on what you need. Name your file, pick a save location, and click Save. And that's it. You've recorded your first voiceover for free on your PC. In the next video, I'll show you how to improve the audio quality even more using Audacity's built-in tools.